बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th के चैप्टर नंबर 1 के चैप्टर MCQs सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन एंड वेव्स। फर्स्ट MCQs, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन? द मोशन ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम, द मोशन ऑफ सीलिंग फैन, द स्पिनिंग ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, अ बाउंसिंग बॉल ऑन अ फ्लोर। करेक्ट आंसर इज द मोशन ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम. If the mass of the bob of a pendulum is increased by a factor of 3, the period of the pendulum motion will be increased by a factor of 2, remain the same, be decreased by the factor of 2, be decreased by the factor of 4. Correct answer is remain the same. Which of the following devices can be used to produce both transverse longitudinal waves? A string, a ripple tank, a helical spring slinky, a turning fork. Correct answer is helical spring slinky. Wave transfer, energy, frequency, wavelength, velocity. Correct answer is energy. Which of the following method for energy transfer? Conduction, radiation, wave motion, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. In vacuum, all electromagnetic waves have the same speed, frequency, amplitude, wavelength. Correct answer is speed. A large ripple tank with the vibrate working at the frequency of 30 Hz produce 25 complete wave in the distance of 50 cm. The velocity of the wave is 53 cm per second, 60 cm per second, 750 cm per second, 1500 cm per second. Correct answer is 60 cm per second. Which of the following practices of the wave is independent of the other? Speed, frequency, amplitude, wavelength. Correct answer is amplitude. The relation between the Vf and wavelength of a wave is Vf is equal to wavelength, F multiply wavelength is equal to V multiply wavelength is equal to F, V is equal to a wavelength divided by F. Correct answer is F multiply wavelength is equal to V.